Pay attention here, because in the next minute I'm going to tell you about an in-demand way of making money that requires a car and you, and that's about it. The thing is, you probably haven't heard about this before. That's because it's a totally new way of becoming an entrepreneur fast, and you can do it part-time or full-time, either way, and make good money. Hold on, before we go any further, you don't get rich at this job, but you get well paid. It has nothing to do with the internet or computers. It's a brick-and-mortar job dealing with real people who need your help. If you're interested in working for yourself, yeah, Hill College is the bomb, but it's years ahead and about the same income. Intern is good, but you have to slug it out for a few years just to get the same amount of money. And if you launch a business on your own without a skill set, well, the marketing, the copywriting, and the advertising, well, experience will kill you. Plus, it takes mucho time. With this method, you make money with your first appointment right away. So click on the link below if you want a good job that you can do right now by yourself without bosses or company rules. Do it now while so few people know about this. So many elderly baby boomers require this. And you don't need this. And most importantly, you make this. That's it. Don't waste any more time. Click below.